In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all completed tasks in Outlook. Let's get started right in your web browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. This is simply the quickest way to reach the official Outlook site without typing a long address. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. You should see the official Microsoft Outlook link near the top of the results. Click that to open the web version of Outlook. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that with your Microsoft account so you can access your mail and tasks. Once Outlook loads, look to the left-hand sidebar. Alongside Mail and Calendar, you'll see an icon that looks like a check mark, often labeled To Do. Click that. This opens Microsoft To Do inside Outlook, which is where your tasks live. Think of it as your consolidated task hub. Anything you've flagged or created across Outlook and To Do syncs here, so you don't have to hunt through multiple places. Inside the To Do area, you'll notice different lists and views such as My Day, Important, and Planned. What we want is the completed view. Find the completed option in the list and click it. This instantly filters your tasks to show only the ones you've already finished. It's a clean way to review what's done, confirm nothing was checked off by mistake, or simply get a sense of progress over the last few days or weeks. As you browse, you can expand a task to see its details, such as notes or due dates you may have set before completing it. If you spot something that was marked complete too early, you can uncheck it to move it back into your active tasks, handy for those moments when a task needs a quick revision or follow-up. You may also see options to sort or group the list, which can help you scan by completion time or alphabetically, depending on your preference. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so the icons and labels are easy to read. And if your interface looks slightly different, you might be using a different Outlook layout or a refreshed experience. The checkmark icon and the completed view are still there, just in a slightly updated style. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook from a Google search, switch to the To Do section, and click Completed to see everything you've wrapped up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity that comes with reviewing your finished tasks.